Hello viewers, today we'll talk about calculating the square of a number using the concept of Vedic maths. The sutra that will be used in today's discussion is Yavadunam Tavaduni Kritya, which means that when we talk about taking a reference of a base value, whatever less or more that particular value is, further we are going to reduce it or add it to it, that particular value. Okay, now let's understand what are the numbers, how we will be using the sutra, and we would be calculating the square of those particular values. Now let's take the first example, that is we need to calculate the square of 17. When we talk about calculating the square of 17, this 17 is closest to 10. Okay, so we will be taking the base value as 10. Now identifying how many zeros are there in this base value, we have a single zero. It means that number of places we have to leave down in the RHS is 1. Now let's start doing the question. We have the number 17 whose value we have to calculate. Now if we compare this value with the base value, so what is our base value? Base value is 10. अगर इस बेस वैल्यू से इस नंबर को कंपेयर करें तो वो कितना ज़्यादा है? 7 ज़्यादा है. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट 7 मोर मीन्स वी हैव टू यूज़ प्लस. नेक्स्ट दूसरे पोर्शन में हम क्या करेंगे? इसी वैल्यू का हम स्क्वायर लिख लेंगे. सो दैट विल बी +7 होल स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड फॉर द कैलकुलेशन. 17 + 7 will be 24 and plus into plus is plus and 7 sevens are 49. Now what we have identified that the number of places in the RHS has to be 1. Here we are having 2 places. So what we need to do? We need to retain this particular value. हमने 9 को as it is लिखा, 4 को हम LHS में ले जाएंगे. So this will come out to be 28. तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? Answer will be 289. Let's start with the second example. Now our second example is to calculate the square of 98. Now 98 is close to 100. So the base value we need to take is 100. Number of zeros in the base value is 2. So the number of places in RHS will be also 2. Now let's compare this value with the base value. When we compare 100 with 98, we find it is 2 less than the base value. Okay, so what we do is that 98, because we have identified it is 2 less. Less means -2 oblique -2 का square. So 98 minus 2 is 96. 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus is plus. Now cross checking the number of places. Number of places in RHS is 2. So instead of 4 we have to write it as 04. Hence the answer is 9604. So how simple it is? Just we have to identify what is the nearest number and we need to calculate the square of that particular value only and add or subtract depending upon how the calculation has to be done. Next is to calculate the square of 981. This number is close to 1000. So the base value will be 1000 and in this base value we have how many zeros? 3 zeros. So the number of places in the RHS will also be 3. Now we subtract the base value with the given number. So we have 981 minus 1000, so it will come out to be 90. So we proceed with the calculation. 981, how much less it is? It is 19 less. And what we need to do over here, minus 19 का हम square लिख लेंगे. Next 981 minus 19, so that will be 962. So LHS will come out to be 962 and 19 into 19 is 61. Now cross checking the number of places. Number of places in RHS is 3. So we have 3 places, no excess, no deficient. So our answer will be 962361. taking the last example, that is 1002 का स्क्वायर हमें निकालना है. This number is closest to 1000, so the base value will be 1000. Number of places in the RHS will be 3 because here we have 3 zeros. So we have 1002. How much it is more than the base value? It is 2 more than the base value. Oblique RHS में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 2 का स्क्वायर. So we have 1004 oblique 2 2s are 4. Now how many places have to be left in RHS? 3 places. So this 4 has to be written while making it into concept of 3 places. So 3 places means 0 0 4. That won't be changing the value of 4. So final our answer will be 1 0 0 4 0 0 4. So what we have understood from this particular example, whatever number we have to calculate in terms of calculating the square, we have to identify what is the base value. Here we had taken the base value as 10, here it was 100, here it was 1000, and here also it was 1000. Now what's the difference? This number is 7 more than the base value. 7 more than the base value, it means जब हम 17 का स्क्वायर निकालेंगे, जब हम इसको वर्बली करेंगे तो हम लिखेंगे 17 + 7 और 7 का स्क्वायर. ओके, व्हेन वी हैड टॉक्ड अबाउट 98 इट वाज क्लोज टू 100. 100 मीन्स 2 प्लेसेस. हम RHS में ध्यान रखेंगे हमें 2 प्लेसेस करना है. 98 को जब हमने कंपेयर किया तो 98 का स्क्वायर के लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे? 98 - 2 एंड -2 का स्क्वायर. सिंपल. जब हमने 981 की बात की तो 981 का स्क्वायर हमें निकालना है. 3 प्लेसेस लेंगे. कितना डेफिशिएंट है? इट इज़ 19 डेफिशिएंट. सिंपल 19 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. और 1002 की अगर हमने बात की तो 1002 का स्क्वायर निकालने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? 1002 लिख दिया. कितना एक्सेस है? 2 है एक्सेस और 2 का स्क्वायर. RHS में हमारे कितने प्लेस होंगे? 3 प्लेस होंगे. सो इस वे से हम ये क्वेश्चंस को वर्बली कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर मेथड कैन बी यूज फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी नंबर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट बेस वैल्यू. हमें सिर्फ वहाँ पर बेस वैल्यू आइडेंटिफाई करना है. थैंक्स अ लॉट.